Hello, everyone. In just a few seconds of carelessness, everything can change forever. Moments that seem completely normal can end in accidents no one expects. Accidents don't come with a warning, and sometimes there is no second chance. Today, let's take a look at dangerous traffic situations and unbelievable moments caught on camera that watch until the end, because one small detail might help protect your life. Let's go!
当这艘船不再被过度使用后，它就进入了疯狂驾驶模式。
Now here's something closer to an actual ship launch blunder. Finally, something we can all get behind and get a jolly good soaking from if it ever launches, that is. To be honest though, sometimes stuff goes a bit wrong, but it's actually not terribly exciting, and it certainly doesn't warrant anyone getting all dramatic about it. This is a case in point. This ship was all ready for launch. Everyone was waiting with anticipation for that satisfying slide and splash, and then they pulled all the pulleys and levers, and there was a big fat nothing. No clattering down the ramp, no worried wobble, no splash, no tidal wave. All in all, a bit of a letdown. What appears to have happened is that the bow of the ship got stuck even though the stern was well on its way. And this happens. Things can't always run perfectly in synchronicity, I suppose. But as the ship slips, the hydraulic pins that hold the thing in place had malfunctioned in the bow end, and that threw a spanner in the works. Luckily, ships have been launched since before there was such technology, and some bright spark in the shipyard managed to give it a manual twiddle and set everything nicely on its way in the end. After all, there's nothing wrong with a bit of manual tugging to finish things off satisfactorily. That's how you handle your ship.
这艘游艇免费给自己升级了天窗。
了。
这次碰撞事故看起来代价不菲，大家猜猜这家伙要付多少维修费？
A Brazilian training ship was leaving the port as usual, but this time it faced a real trial. A powerful current and a tugboat error led to a collision, and when the tug overturned, the situation turned critical. Thankfully, the sailors reacted quickly and abandoned the ship in time.
Çarpıyor. Çarptı. Yapacak bir şey yok. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
In Bangladesh, an ordinary day at the port suddenly turned to chaos when a foreign vessel veered off course and slammed into a local ship.
Itu dubu je begui. Bita 100% dubu bita 100%. Sor. Rider kayak gini sah, ono dubi gini sah.
Малыш. Уже вот-вот.
Here we see the final hours of the fishing vessel Gullberg, which sank in 2013. Its demise started when the engine and boiler room began to flood, and there was no way to stop the water. The crew was evacuated, but sadly, they had to watch from the deck of another ship as their vessel slowly slipped beneath the waves.
Но паспорта, я думаю, хоть успели, наверное, Вот и все. Ушел бедняга на дно.